It's Monday morning, and when I do my weekly home blessing, it's actually a house reset. There's a lot of little things that I like to get done to get my house set up for the week. The first thing I like to do is strip my bed, so I'm going to go ahead and throw the sheets in the wash while I'm doing my yoga. This video is brought to you by Apron Diva. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. Visit us at www.aprondiva.com. I'm also going to wash these spreads and then get them switched out for something that's a little bit more muted for fall. Now, what you've seen today is at the heart of my cleaning routines. It is a part of my weekly home blessing and my daily routines. Now, one question I often get asked is, what is the weekly home blessing? Well, that is a series of tasks that takes place on Monday, or at least Monday for me. For those homemakers that work outside the home, it could be on Saturday. But it takes about an hour, and there are 6 little tasks that make up the weekly home blessing. They include stripping the beds and then throwing those sheets in the laundry, so stripping the beds and starting the laundry. Wiping down the mirrors, so the mirrors in the bathroom, mirrors in the hallway, wiping down the windows, let's say on your storm door. There's a lot of little fingerprints on there where the kids or the dogs have their noses or their fingers up there. You would wipe that down. You would also sweep the floor in the main walkways, not around all the little corners, but the main walkways. Mop those same floors in the main walkways, and then vacuum and empty out all little trash liners. So 6 little tasks that shouldn't take more than 5 to 10 minutes each. And then for me, my dresser is a huge clutter magnet. It's a flat surface, and sometimes it's just easier to set something on the dresser than put it where it belongs. So I do a daily tidy up in there. I do a daily clutter stop where I will check those flat surfaces, put things where they belong, and then if necessary, I might wipe those down again with just a little dust cloth, because our house can get a little dusty. But just doing those simple things helps to keep my bedroom neat and clean. And the bedroom should be an area of calm, an oasis, so that when you go in there, you can go in there and relax. And then when you come out, you feel refreshed and ready to start your day. And let me invite you to sign up for my Homemaking with Purpose newsletter. It comes out once a month, and it's chock full of information, tips, and tricks to help you navigate your homemaking journey. And if you hate to do laundry, if you absolutely, positively hate to do laundry, sign up for my laundry masterclass. That way you'll know when it's available. My free masterclass, I want to be sure to add. And then when it's ready to go, you'll be one of the first to know. I'll put the links in the description box so that you can sign up for each one of those, my newsletter and the laundry masterclass. For more homemaking and homekeeping inspiration, click the link on the screen, and I'll see you next time.